Sound of phone. At around 2 a.m., a man received a call on his phone. On the caller ID, it said, "My number." Despite being scared, he answered the call. On the other end of the line, he only heard his own voice saying, "Don't look behind you." Panicked, he turned around without thinking. In the corner of his bed stood a dark shadow, exactly like him, and the shadow slowly began to smile. The next morning, his phone was lying on the bed. On the screen it read, "Call ended. Last night, 2 a.m." So what do you think? Did he answer a call from his own soul, or from his death itself? Please tell in comments section.